Top three things in my notebook this morning. Number one, the Russell 2000. Number two, the 10-year bond yield. And number three, oil. But first, on the Russell 2000, to get the Russell 2000 even back to break even, don't forget you'd have to have a 10.5% rally from here. So if you do get what you look like you'll get on the open, one of these hopeful no-volume rallies again today on a European headline that they're going to buy everything other than my old socks. Good luck with that. So again, short selling opportunity. We've been reiterating this for the last 10 months. There's no reason to change that. If anything, our conviction is at its highest point now because global growth slowing is at its most evident point. So again, get the research right, set your emotions aside, and again, look at short selling opportunities for what they are. 10-year bond yield, again, you'd have to reverse a lot of different things in the narratives now. The bulls are saying that while they all thought that rates would go up this year, now rates falling is the bull case. It's really hard to tack down the bull case, I admit, on equities, but again, if you look at it for what it is, the real bull case is in the long end of the bond market. The 10-year bond yield, of course, would have to go up about 35% from here to get the bears on the bond side back to break even. So again, downside, immediate term downside support to 209 on the 10-year bond yield with first line of resistance 225, but again, the trend line is much higher than that. So again, the 10-year bond yield, the best way to play growth slowing in bullish terms is to be long of the long bond. Again, TLT and EDV. Actually, TLT was up on the day yesterday, just FYI. Oil prices, again, have bounced. So, again, you look at the bounce and everything that has crashed. Oil, again, is crashing, but it's bouncing within the crash. So it's bounced to 83.5, call it, on WTI here. But, again, that's still down 22% since June. And, no, we don't think that oil is going to go up a lot from here. So, again, immediate-term downside support in WTI to 79.97. So those are your top three things.